Learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Father and son trip to the zoo this weekend. The weather is beautiful and bright, and the father and son are getting ready to have fun with the animals. Father: Hello, my son. Are you ready? Let's go to the zoo today.
Son: Yes, of course, Dad. I'm so excited to see the animals.
Father: Great. We will have a great day together. Do you have any animal you would particularly like to see?
Son: Yes, I want to see lions and giraffes. I heard they are amazing.
Father: Well, we'll start by visiting the lions first. Do you know information about them?
Son: Yes, lions are large and strong animals, and they live in forests and plains. They have black and elegant fur.
Father: Right, excellent. Do you know how they hunt?
Son: Yes, they hunt quickly and powerfully, and they use their hunting skills to get prey.
Then they went on to visit the lions and saw a great show of them. After that, they went to see the giraffes. Father: Giraffes are amazing animals too. Do you know how high it can reach?
Son: Yes, giraffes can reach almost 6 meters tall. It's very long.
Father: True, and did you know that the longest part of a giraffe's body is its neck?
Son: Yes, and it uses its long neck to reach trees and eat leaves and fruits.
They continued to explore the zoo, seeing many other animals, and ate a delicious lunch in the visitors' area. Father: How has your day been so far, son? Do you enjoy seeing animals?
Son: Yes, Dad, it's a really great day. Thank you for taking me here.
Father: My pleasure, my love. It is a great pleasure for me too to be here with you and see your smile. And so they continued their day at the zoo, smiling and happy, creating beautiful memories that will last a long time between them.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.